anak batuk, cap ibu dan anak ibu beri. Hilang batuk, ikan di kail banyak sekali.
Dirumus daripada 15 herba dan madu asli, ubat batuk, cap ibu dan anak.
Nin Jiom Pe Pa Kwa, or simply Nin Jiom Herbal Cough Syrup, is a traditional Chinese natural herbal remedy that relieves sore throat, cough, and aphonia. The product is marketed under the brand name Cap Ibu dan Anak, while Indonesia acronym as OBIDA, Ubat Batuk Ibu dan Anak.
In this case, Ubat Batuk Cap Ibu dan Anak is one of the examples of geocentric orientation. This is because each of the countries for that medicines has its own name to adapt to their culture. It recognizes the differences and similarities between the native, home country and international markets, and blends their ethnocentric and polycentric views, working out of strategy for success.